Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make yourself feel at home. I'm Matilda, and today I will be sharing with you 10 fall winter fashion hacks. Fall winter is coming. It's still pretty warm here in New York City, but I have a feeling winter is going to sneak up on us and we're going to be so sad. But we have hacks to prepare for all this. So I will be sharing 10 fashion hacks that I use mostly in the fall and winter. And I'm just a hacks girly. I love a good hack. That is how I survive my life. I just find shortcuts and hacks to get through the day. So I will be sharing with you 10. I have plenty more to share. So if you do enjoy this video, please let me know. And if you have any hacks that you use, please feel free to comment down below because we would love to hear them. Let's create a space where we just share our knowledge because we're all girls over here, okay? So without any further ado, let's get into the first hack.
First hack on the table is how to layer without the bulk. If you're like me, I used to have the bulkiest, biggest layers, and I would look like a marshmallow every time winter rolled around until I learned about thermals. Uniqlo, for example, has great thermals. This is where this is from. They have a heat tech line. You can get ultra warm. It just depends on your kind of winter. And some fleece tights, they will be the absolute best investment you can make for winter. They have this fleece lining that keeps you warm. Bonus point if they match your skin tone, because look at that. No one's going to be able to tell you're wearing any tights. And if you don't want fleece tights, thermal tights will serve the same purpose. So we're always going to start with a layer of the thermal top, fleece tights, and some wool socks every time you put on a winter outfit. And that is it. If your base layers are taken care of, everything else is great. So I want to see if you can guess why I had the scarf over my head. Just put a comment down below. Why do you think I put the scarf as I put on my top? I will let you know in 3, 2, look at my top. Look at my top. Not a single makeup stain. I am a girly who does her makeup before wearing my outfit, and wearing a scarf over your head makes sure that that makeup stays pristine and off your clothes. So now we have our jeans, our top. I added a little belt accessory and boots just because I felt cute. And once that was done, of course, you have your wool coat. So you're going to need an investment in a wool coat. I thrifted mine. You can definitely buy one, but secondhand, just go to secondhand shops. Look through the men's section, the coat section. If you keep searching, I promise you will find a gem of a coat. I love this one. I thrifted it last year and she's still popping. So look at that fit. It's so sleek, so minimal, not bulky. You can always add a scarf on top if you want an extra layer of warmth. And also under your layers, you can double up your thermals and double up your tights. So the world is your oyster. You can do whatever you want. We have free will. So please make sure you stay warm. So that is hack number 1. And look at how cute everything looks, and I just love it. So next we're going to move into creative accessories. So I know sunglasses, hats, jewelry, those are your obvious accessories, but how about clothes as accessories? Look at the brightness of this red sweater. It is so bright, just like my future. And when I pop that on my shoulder and pop on some sunnies, look at how much that elevates this fit. It just adds a pop of okay, a pop of color. You can tie it, and it's just this extra cool vibe to the outfit, and it's not such an obvious accessory. And obviously if it gets a bit colder, you can pop on the jumper, but this is just such a fun way to add a bit of curious element to your outfit. Next up, if you're not ready to let your ripped jeans go into the closet, just like your ex, you're still holding on to that man, babe, we need him gone, but let's keep the ripped jeans. You are going to need flesh colored fleece lined tights. Look at these. They match my skin tone. I am so impressed with these. They will be linked down below in case you want a pair. But layering these under your ripped jeans is going to make it look like you're still braving the cold. When you see girlies out there in 0 degrees or minus temperatures in ripped jeans, they are probably wearing fleece lined tights. Look at these. Honestly, unless you're inspecting me super closely, you wouldn't be able to tell that I'm wearing anything underneath because it looks just like my skin tone. By the way, if you want to resize the waist of your jeans, this clippy belt thing, life-changing. It will also be linked down below. But look at that fit. I am now looking super cute, and you can wear your thermal tights and then your fleece tights on top of your outfit, and then rock your ripped jeans, your mini skirts. It doesn't matter. I am so happy with this hack, so I hope you take it on for yourself. Next is how to instantly elevate an outfit using a long coat. If there's one thing you need to buy for winter, it's a beautiful structured wool coat. This will will make the difference in all your outfits. I just pop this on top of an outfit when I'm feeling like something's missing. And look at that. Immediately just makes it look like I put in a lot more effort. And it also elevates a more casual outfit. I'm wearing sneakers and ripped jeans, but this still looks super put together. So a coat is your biggest investment, a long one. I thrifted this one. The thrift gods have been on my side when it comes to thrifting, and I feel so grateful that I found this gem of a piece. So yeah, I suggest looking through secondhand stores, or honestly, a coat is something you can invest in. So find one, even if it's a bit pricier, it will be your investment for several winters to come. So girl, don't sleep on it. Just invest in a long wool coat. You're not going to regret it. Next hack is how to turn your summer dresses into cold weather looks. So I'm just mentally not ready for winter. I'm just not. So starting with the same base layer of a thermal top, your fleece tights or your thermal tights, we are going to wear turtleneck and then pop on our summer dress on top of everything. And this just makes a warmer dress into cold weather appropriate. Zipping up a dress by yourself is honestly a true test of patience. I was here for about 5 minutes, girl. This zip is not budging. I was bending forward. I was looking around and I was like, girl, that's not closing. I was home alone. So I was kind of like, I need to sort this out. So I turned the dress to the front. Let me know if you do this. I honestly don't even know why I put this in, but I had to turn it around, zip it up, and then turn it the right way out. And honestly, I broke out a sweat. I'm already in so many layers, but the dress got zipped up and she looked super cute. So once the dress was on, I forgot all the problems she'd put me through and I forgave her. She had pockets as well. So I was having a moment of like pure joy. And look at this. So this is our base layer. We're now going to add on some boots just to make this more winter friendly. And these boots, oh, I love these boots so much. They're so comfortable to walk in. They add some necessary height. I'm like 5'3", so any height is just an additional plus. And I love it. And look at that. We have our layers, we have our dress, we're doing our happy dance. And of course, don't forget your long wool coat that you invested in. So once you've done this, girl, no cold is penetrating this shield of armor, okay? No weapon formed against you shall prosper when you're wearing this outfit. So that's a simple way on how to turn your summer dresses into cold weather fits. Next up, let's double our outerwear for cozy layers. So I know you know outerwear is one piece. First of all, these cargo pants. Let me tell you, the thrift gods, I don't know what I did, but they've been like smiling down at me. So I thrifted these cargo pants. I'm wearing some silver shoes. I have some fleece tights. No, I'm lying. I have thermal tights underneath the cargos, and then I popped on a blazer. And I know you're like, one outerwear is enough. No, go crazy. Do two. So I added a coat on top of my blazer. Usually you think just one jacket. Baby, see the vision, be a visionary. Two. The magic number is 2. First of all, it adds an extra dimension to your outfit. It's kind of interesting to look at, and an extra layer of warmth. So underneath, I have my thermals, I have my turtleneck, a blazer, a coat. Girl, nothing is penetrating my outfit. I am going to be super warm and cozied up. I was actually sweating as I was filming this, and I was boiling, girl. So adding a double outerwear look to your outfit just gives it extra dimension, extra warmth, and you just look like you've got your style figured out. Next up is button downs under your sweaters for a more polished look. So I have this cute outfit. I love the aesthetic of this. It's kind of like dark academia. I love it. I love this fit, but something feels like it's missing to me. It just feels like I haven't really thought about this outfit. So I am going to do something simple, which is pop on a button down under my sweater. So you could do a dickie, which is like just the collars, but I went to the full shirt just because I want the extra layer of warmth as well. But look at how that pop of white under my sweater just gives this look like, she really thought about it. So here's a side-by-side comparison for those doubting Thomases and Nancys. The pop of white just adds that finishing touch to this look, and I love it. Next up is how to crop your sweater instantly. suddenly it is sweater season and you have to have your sweaters ready for the colder months. So if you want to have a cropped look, I would suggest, if you tuck it in like this, you will have your little moment where you're trying to have everything lay flat. And obviously a sweater is kind of bulky. So you will have this bunching up of fabric around your stomach area, which honestly isn't the most flattering look. Like, look at that. I just feel like this is not how we do things over here, Jessica. We have some decorum, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to let that sweater go and take a shoelace or a piece of string, anything that goes around your waist, a ribbon, it doesn't matter. Just use what you have. And you are going to tie this around your waist and make sure this is secured up. You don't want her slipping and sliding about, telling people your business when she should be at home. And once you've tied your string, you are going to fold over the fabric of the sweater over your string. And as you can see, I used a bright blue string and you can't see any of her. She is gone into the abyss. And look at that crop. It just looks so neat and beautiful. And I am in love with this. Okay. So this is a way to crop your sweater. If you don't want to cut it or you don't want the bulk, there you go. That is a super easy way to just look super put together. Next up is adding leg warmers to your outfit for a cozy touch. This is such a simple thing that makes your outfit just seem more cozy. So I have this black dress. I wore it in the summer and now it's time to transition her. So your leg warmers, naturally, I would wear my leg warmers at the base with some Uggs or some shoes. But how about you pull them all the way to the top so it looks like you're wearing boot socks? So pop on your boots and look at that. It just adds a touch of like a cozy vibe. It feels like I should have an overpriced pumpkin spiced chai latte in my hand right now. No, we're saving money, girl, okay? So I popped on my leather jacket on top of this because, hey, fall, and look at that cute outfit. I feel like also a long coat would have looked nice over this, or like a different, like a sweater moment, but you see the vision. So this and leg warmers, boots, a leather jacket, this is as fall as it gets, and it's super cute, super cozy. I am here for it. Last hack, yes, we've done 10 hacks. How to keep your sleeves in place with a little handy trick. So if you're like me and you love your oversized tops, your oversized sweaters, here I'm using an oversized shirt. So when you pull up your sleeves, they just won't stay up because they just don't like being told what to do. You need to put them in line so that they listen to you, Nancy, okay? So you're just going to use rubber bands. You can use hair ties as well if you don't have any rubber bands. So when you fold up your sleeve, I want you to sneak in a rubber band into that folded bit and conceal your rubber band or your hair tie. If you're using a hair tie, just shush her in, make sure she stays quiet, and look at this. Those sleeves will not budge. I use this trick all the time to keep my sleeves for my blazers up or my shirts. I just love this trick. So let me know what hack was your favorite. We finished this video. We did 10 hacks. I would also love to hear your hacks if you have any fun hacks that you use in the fall and winter. And I have plenty more hacks where that came from. So let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. But for now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a cozy, cozy week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.